What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's review is going to be on way different than what I normally do. This one is going to be on the daytime theraflu severe cold and cough. And they're not kidding about this either. This stuff actually does help out with the sore throat pain, cough, headache, body ache, fever, and nasal congestion. I actually took one of these yesterday, and it's actually making me feel a whole lot better than I was a couple days ago. I was not doing good at all. I was like, I didn't even want to do anything outside of the house or anything. It just pretty much tells you to do 1 pack in water, stirring briskly in cold water if you have to microwave it, and then consume it within 10-15 minutes. This stuff really does work. It does kind of have a weird aftertaste to it because of it having like a strawberry or a cherry flavor. It almost looks like it's a mixed berry. That's what it looks like from there, because it's got the 3 berries there. But it definitely would work out if you have a cold or anything that you're dealing with. These would definitely be worth checking out because they definitely help out with whatever you're dealing with. So I just want to do this quick review for you guys. And yeah, it says it's berry infused with green tea flavors. So I just want to do this quick review for you guys, let you guys know that this is definitely worth checking out. I give this an A. So if you have it in your area store or whatever, this is what you want to look for. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, God bless, take care of yourselves, and have a great day.